Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a high-converting digital product landing page using Wix in 2026, step by step. By the end, you will have a professional landing page ready to sell ebooks, templates, courses, or any digital product. Let's get started. Step 1, log into Wix and create a site. Log in using your Google account or add your email manually, right? And then what you're going to do, click create a new site. Right? Choose your category, business, portfolio, and select a template or use AI Builder. Right? You can use AI Builder just to tell them a little bit about your business. Right? In my case, I already created so many, so I'm gonna go ahead and select one of the designs just to speed things up. Right? Templates are better for beginners if you don't know what your business is. Now, inside Wix, go to the Pages menu. Right? And inside, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a new page or add a page. Choose a blank page, right? Which is recommended. This gives you full control, right? And build the hero section, right? This is the top section of your page, right? Add a headline, subheadline, CTA, so you can name it new page here. Okay, this is the new page here. You can add headlines by just pressing the plus button here to add like image, social. You can add so many things like buttons even. Sections like welcome, about, team, store, bookings, events, etc. You can add like welcome here, for example. And call to action. For example, get your first $100 online with this digital guide. The button download now, right? And keep it simple yet powerful. Step 4, add product section. Now explain your product. Include what it is, what's included, who it's for. Use bullet points for clarity, right? So now add visuals. Use product mockup, screenshots, preview pages. Visuals increase conversions. Step 6, add benefits section. Focus on results, not features. Examples, save time, make money, learn fast. Answer, what's in it for the user. Step 7, add social proof. Build trust with testimonials, reviews, results, screenshots. This removes doubt once and for all. And add a pricing section. Clearly show price, what they get, any bonuses in this page. Keep it transparent and short. And CTA, call to action. Place CTA buttons throughout the page. Top, middle, bottom. Examples, buy now, get instant access, download today. Make it easy to take action. And of course, connect payment method. Inside Wix, you can go to settings. Let me go ahead, click select the site. Wait a few moments. Sorry, it's taking so long. Go ahead to the settings and find accept payments. You can connect Stripe or PayPal. This allows you to accept payment, right? And deliver your digital product. You can now deliver product using Wix Digital Downloads, email automation, download links after purchase. So let me go ahead. Settings. And hit accept payments here. And of course connect Stripe or PayPal. Right? Make sure every delivery is instant. Optimize for mobile. Switch to mobile view. So inside your design, switch to a mobile. Right? Adjust spacing, resize text, fix layouts. Right? Most users are on mobile. right? And add SEO basics. To get traffic, add page title, write meta description, use keywords. Helps you rank on Google. And preview, right? Preview the site and test it out. Before publishing, test buttons, test checkout, check links, all right? Avoid losing customers. And then once you're done, you're gonna just hit publish so anyone can see it. Your landing page is live. High converting landing page structure. Use this simple formula. Headline, product intro, benefits, social proof, pricing, CTA right away. This structure works in 2026. Avoid too much text, weak headline, no clear CTA, no trust element, complicated design. So just rewind, open Wix, create page, add sections, connect payments, publish. Done. Creating a digital product landing page with Wix in 2026 is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. You don't need coding, just clear message and clean design. Focus on a strong headline, clear value, simple layout, easy checkout. That's how you turn visitors into buyers. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.